In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace the sky in OpenArt. We'll begin on the OpenArt homepage. Look over to the left side panel. That's where all your main tools live. From there, click on Image to open the Image Editing workspace. This takes you to a hub with different editing modes, and for sky replacement, the one you want is Stylize. Go ahead and select Stylize. Next, upload the photo you'd like to work on. A high-resolution image with a clear horizon usually produces the most convincing results, so if you have options, pick the sharpest one. Once your image appears, you'll notice example designs on the right side. These are pre-built variations that set the overall direction for the edit. Choose a variation that feels close to the mood you're going for. It's just a starting point, and you can fine-tune everything after. Now it's time to pick the sky type. You can choose starry, sunny, or cloudy. Think about the lighting in your original photo. If the scene is bright with strong shadows, sunny will feel natural. If it's softer or moody, cloudy might blend better. Starry works best for evening scenes or if you're going for a dramatic night transformation. With the mood set, adjust the style strength. This slider controls how strongly the new sky and stylistic changes influence your photo. Lower values keep more of the original look and textures. Higher values push the AI to transform more aggressively. If you want a realistic swap that respects the scene's lighting, start in the middle and nudge up or down until the horizon, colors, and reflections look cohesive. You can also add a prompt, which is optional but powerful. Keep it simple and specific, like golden hour sky with soft cirrus clouds, deep blue midday sky, or dramatic storm clouds on the horizon. Short, clear prompts help the model understand your intent without overcomplicating the result. Before generating, set the number of images. More images give you a wider range of options, which is helpful when matching a tricky scene, though it may take a bit longer. 1 or 2 images are great for quick tests. 3 to 4 can surface subtle variations in color, cloud shape, and brightness. When you're ready, click. Create and let the AI do its thing. Watch the previews load, then pick the version that best matches your photo's lighting and perspective. If something feels off, go back, tweak the style strength or prompt, try a different variation, and create again. That's all there is to replacing the sky in OpenArt with clean, consistent results.